Medical students, listen up. Your NEET PG 2024 schedule has just been revamped. The National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences has announced new dates for the NEET PG 2024 exam. Originally set for June 23rd, the exam will now take place on August 11th. This postponement has stirred up quite a bit of frustration among candidates and political leaders. But here's what you need to do next. If you had an admit card for the June 23rd exam, you'll need to select your preferred test city again. This selection window is open from today, July 19th until July 22nd, 2024. Final test city allotments will be emailed out on July 29th. Mark your calendars because your new admit cards with specific test center details will be available for download starting August 8th. Remember, the exam will be held in 185 cities across India due to increased security measures. And don't forget, the internship completion cutoff date is August 15th, 2024. Stay tuned for more updates, and good luck with your preparation.